Finally made it downtown Dallas, and our first stop is going to be food. Fingerprints took a little bit longer than we thought, but it is what it is. Just a fun fact for y'all. For license, so your fingerprinting and a background check is gonna cost you about $125 to get that sent over from Texas to Florida. But in the meantime, we got super hungry, pulled up here to a Twisted Roots to get some good food here.
So we're about to get a gourmet burger, check out a park, check out the views maybe at a sunset spot, hit a meeting, check in the hotel, call it a night.
Let's do it, let's get it.
So we're about to do some damage on this brunch. Check out this burger, the Millionaire Burger. This thing is no joke. Got some fried pickles to taste.
Got some loaded fries, some bacon, some cheese. Super delicious.
One thing I noticed about Dallas is a lot of rooftops. A lot of places have these awesome little spots where you can just post up, have some food. Scenery is nice. Also, a spot we're about to chow down.
So this is a little walk through the Clyde Warren Park. It's nice. You got a cool restaurant behind us. A lot of food trucks. And if you're here for the holidays, you got Santa Claus over there. And you got this nice Christmas tree as well behind us.
But it does not feel like a real winter because it's not cold. This just reminds me of Chicago when it's nice and chilly and the lights. Yeah. This will do while we're in Dallas.
Yeah, I picture Christmas, I picture the snow on the ground. It's a nice festive atmosphere, but I guess Dallas is gonna do it. But Clyde Warren Park is nice. You got the food trucks to right over here. There's a restaurant up front. There's even some little games you can play, especially for like kids.
That's a ping pong table there.
We're about to go game it up. Just maybe 1 or 2 games before we probably afterwards go to the hotel and put the ball there.
So we made it to golden hour, catching the rest of daylight. Look at this beautiful skyline.
Yeah, this is a really good spot for a sunset. This is one of the best skyline views you're gonna have of the city. This is the Trinity Trail, Trinity River Trail, and that's the Margaret Hunter Hill Bridge right there.
What a day. We just officially checked into the hotel. We're about maybe to get a quick shower, grab some food, check out the rooftop that they have here. And we came out to Dallas for 2 things. 1 was the fingerprints. 2 was this big meeting that we had with Pronto.
Yeah, it's gonna be an amazing meeting. So for those that don't know, Pronto is something that we've been working on for the past months and months, and it's something geared towards healthcare for you healthcare workers. It's going to innovate and revolutionize the way we do healthcare. It's going to have everything from jobs and also profile builder for you to store all your documents on, transportation help, housing help, resources, literally everything you need as a healthcare professional. Just so you could improve your career, you could literally browse any job you would like, and you can literally do anything you want on this app.
Hell yeah. And funny thing is, we're on this hotel. It's on Houston Street, but we're in Dallas, but we're actually from Austin. But if you really wanted to know, we're from Chicago. And where were you born?
We were born in Poland.
God damn, so we're from everywhere.
We just got done with the contract in California.
We're about to explore every single part. So check it in. See you guys tomorrow. Before we start our adventure, guess what? We need some damn coffee. Let's see what they got. Got the fix, Spanish latte, and our itinerary for today is we're gonna go to the Dallas Arboretum and we're gonna go to that tower.
Reunion Tower. You're gonna see a panoramic 360 view of the city of Dallas.
Let's go. Just made it to Dallas Arboretum, and this is a giant botanical garden that we're gonna explore. One thing I love about picking out activities is always something with the outdoors. If we can find something in nature just to kind of chill out, especially working so many days and having no sunlight, this is why this is the option.
Yeah, this Arboretum is super big, so this is like definitely like a whole day activity. There's 66 acres of just flowers and gardens, so definitely a whole day experience. We're gonna probably try to hit like 3 or 4 different varieties and see what it holds or houses. Also, it's very busy here, as you can see. Definitely would have come here sooner than later.
That's what we get done in 2 hours. Wrapping up at the garden, family vibes here. We covered this quite fast. It took us about an hour. Peep out a candle. On to the next. Today is definitely a productive day. If we'd be wearing a Whoop Band or a Fitbit or Amazon Halo, whatever they call them nowadays, we'd be getting some steps in at least 10K today.
Yeah, we definitely hit our mark.
Here we are, Reunion Tower. At the very bottom, we got a long way up. Bet you the view's gonna be good. Let's see what it's about.
If y'all are ever in Dallas, Reunion Tower is a must-see. You literally can see the whole city from each angle, 470 feet up in the air. Best views for sure.
that's a wrap. Hope you guys enjoyed the things to do in Dallas. We're going to keep on exploring Texas. We're supposed to go visit a national park. We're going to go to Austin, maybe Houston, San Antonio. We'll see what happens. And next time, Miami. And if you guys like these vlogs, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, smash the notification bell, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. So, peace.